In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Stan Store. Let's get started right inside your Stan Store dashboard. First, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main page, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu there, and one of the options will be Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Look for the tab labeled Payments and click on that. This is where you manage how customers pay you. At the top of this page, you'll see Stripe as an existing payment option. Now, look just below and to the left of the Stripe section. You should see a button that says Add PayPal. Click on that to start connecting your PayPal account. A small pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, click the button that says Connect to PayPal. After you click it, give it a moment to reload. You'll then be taken to the PayPal login screen inside that pop-up. Here, enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account, followed by your PayPal password. When you're ready, click Log In. In some cases, PayPal might ask you to complete a security check. This is totally normal and is there to help protect your account. You'll be asked how you want to receive a verification code. The options might include email, text message, or a message through a messaging app. Choose the option that's most convenient for you, then wait for the 6-digit code to arrive. Once you receive the code, go back to the pop-up window and type the 6 digits into the field provided. Double check that you've entered it correctly, then click Submit. The page may reload, and when everything is successful, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that you're all set. After that, wait for the pop-up to reload again. This can take a little time, so be patient and avoid closing the window. When it's ready, you'll see an option to return to the site connected to your store. Click the button that says Return. The pop-up will automatically close and your Stan Store page will refresh. Once your Stan Store has finished reloading, look back at the Payments section. You should now see that PayPal is listed as connected. That means your customers can start using PayPal to pay you through your Stan Store.